Goal! Coronado goal. T-Birds up 1-0 over the Montwood High Rams here at Coronado Stadium before the beautiful Franklin Mountains. It's in. Coronado goal number 2. Coronado up 2-0 over the Montwood Rams. Coronado in white, Montwood Rams in the green outfits. They're discussing it. Ref calls it manos, use of hands. And now a yellow card against the Rams goalie. Rams goalie has been replaced on a yellow card.
Come on, why don't you just tell him no goalie? Huh?
And it's in for goal number 3 for Coronado's number 3. Jorge Chavez scoring that one for Coronado T-Birds in white. Beautiful Saturday morning here. Gonna get up to about 71 degrees. The calm before the storm. Got a cold front moving in. Beginning of this coming week. Montwood scores. First goal of the game for Montwood. Montwood in green. Score now, Coronado in white 3, Montwood 1. Getting down to the last minute or two of this second half of the game here at Coronado Stadium. Uh-oh. Now he got a red card. A red card against, looks like Montwood's goalie. And he's going to the bench. And it's good. Goal number 4 for Coronado T-Birds in white. Score now 4-1 against the Montwood High Rams. And that's the end of the first half. Coronado in white leading 4-1 over the Montwood High Rams here at Coronado T-Bird Stadium. And it's a goal! Goal number 5 for Coronado. Coronado up 5-1 now over the Montwood High Rams in green.
Well, enjoy. Good time with Billy this weekend. We'll talk to you later. All right. Bye-bye.
And there's the game. Game over. Coronado in white takes it 5-1 over the Montwood High Rams here at Coronado's T-Bird Stadium.
Guys, come here.
What up, Fish?
Morning.